What's up, everyone? It's day 9 of your 30-day Pilates journey. I'm Terriell, and today we are doing best posture Pilates. So we are going to work on that posture, work on staying tall and strengthening all of the muscles that keep you that way. All right, let's get started. So to begin, I'm gonna have you flip to your stomach on your mat. Squeezing your legs tight together. Let's place the palms underneath armpits and then press down into your hands to lift your chest off. Now in this position, I want you to think of pulling your shoulders down your back and away from your ears, squeezing your shoulder blades towards each other, and then squeezing your elbows in by your sides. And now you want to not forget about your stomach. Think of someone lighting a match underneath your belly button, lifting it up into your spine. And then go ahead and lower yourself down with control. You should feel that upper back engaged for sure. Now press the hands down, lift that chest off, pull your abdominals in, drive those hip bones down to the mat, and then squeeze those shoulder blades, squeeze those elbows in. Hold there 3, hold there 2, hold there 1, and then lower it down. One more time, press into your hands to lift off, floating that chest up, squeezing shoulder blades in 3, squeezing in 2, squeezing in 1, and then lower all the way down with control, all the way down and all the way down. Go ahead and sit back onto your heels, rounding through your back. We're gonna come back to that position later, but from here, spin around and have a seat nice and tall in front of you. Now I want you to sit up really tall on top of your sit bones, scoop your abdominals in, and then literally just work a tall posture, because how often do we sit up like this, right? So let's take the arms and float them up to the ceiling. Pull your low belly in to support your spine. And without letting those shoulders go up by your ears, see if you can just grow taller here. Reaching those arms up, keeping the shoulders down. Good, lifting in the waist, holding here 3, holding here 2, and then keeping the height 1. As you send your arms down in front, pressing something heavy down with those armpits, tap your mat with your fingertips, and then lift your arms straight up to the ceiling. Good, now from here we'll stay up tall, and then let the arms open out and down to the side with control. As you grow, you guessed it, taller. Now we'll send those fingertips and lift them up in front, reaching the arms to the sky. Send the arms down, growing even taller still. Working that posture, you should feel your upper back working to keep you upright here. Already, lift the arms up again in front. Pull your belly in, your ribs down, and then send the arms out and down by your sides. Let's do this one more time. The fingertips reach forward and up to the ceiling. They reach back down in front to tap the mat. Lift your arms all the way up to the sky here. Keep scooping your abs in, and then send the arms out and down by your sides. From here, let's roll to the back. We'll do a little bit of breathing. So press your feet down onto the mat and then reach your arms straight up to the ceiling. Now breathe in, lift your hips, push your hands down on your thighs. Try to hold your breath here, but we'll probably stay here for longer than 1 cycle of breath. So go ahead and breathe normal. Now think of pressing your hands down into your thighs with all your might. Seriously, squeeze your seat to push your thighs into your hands, and then give equal pressure and tension by pressing your hands down. That will open your chest as much as possible. You'll feel that tension in your upper back and shoulders. And now I want you to increase this effort by about 90%, a lot. So it really starts to burn and it starts to shake and you really feel it. Good. And now we'll hold, and then we'll melt the hips down and float the arms up to the sky. Let's do that a couple more times. Now a cycle of breath. Inhale, press down, lift your hips up, hold your breath, and now press with all of your might. Increase the effort for 3, increase it 2, feel that shake 1, exhale, lower your hips, lift your arms up. 2 more, press down, lift the hips sky high, hold there 3, hold the breath. 2, increase your effort 1, and then melt down. Yes, one more time. Inhale, press down, hold your breath. Now press those palms down with all your might. Try to beat your hips. Try to get your hips down into the mat with your arms. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, release it. Beautiful job. Hug your knees into your chest just for a sec, and then rock and roll up to sit. From here, we'll flip back down to the belly. All right, now we're gonna press the palms down by your armpits, holding the position. Go ahead and open your legs. We don't wanna get that lower back working too hard. And now all you'll do is float your palm prints off the mat, squeezing your shoulder blades, keeping your chest open. Now from there, we'll pull the abs in and then lift the chest up. Hold that there for 3. Hold it 2, make sure the back of your neck is long, and then lower it down. Let's add on to that. Palm prints up. Chest lifts. Now make fists with your hands. Reach your arms back behind you. Try to punch the wall behind you. Now make your arms longer and squeeze them in tight to your body. 3. Tighter. 2. Tighter. 1. Bend your elbows all the way in. Don't let them touch the mat. And then lower down. Good. One more time. Palm prints lift. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Pull your belly in. Lift your chest off the mat. Make fists with your hands. Stretch your arms back behind you. Try to punch the wall. Squeeze your shoulder blades, hug your arms in tight. 3, tighter. 2, belly in. 1, and then bend your elbows, lower down. Now sit back onto your heels, rounding your back. And next we'll do a few swan dive catches. So come right back to that place. The legs slightly open, but tight. Keep them tight. Press your palms down, squeeze your shoulder blades. Now let's press into the hands to take your lift. Now we'll dive out and catch. Right back to this position. Exhale, forward, inhale up. Dive and catch. 3 more and catch. 2, and last one. Good, lower down, and then sit back onto your heels, rounding that spine. Now you should feel your whole back body on fire here. It should feel pretty good, like you're working it out hard. Now go ahead and walk yourself back out to your stomach. Same position here with the nose about an inch off the mat, but this time open your arms out to a T shape. Go ahead and make fists with your hands. Try to punch your hands out to the side walls. Now, we'll take the arms and reach them back. Think pinky fingers to hips. Squeezing your shoulder blades here as you lift the chest off the floor. Tight legs, tight abs, holding. Arms get closer to the body. And then open the arms out to the side and melt your chest back down. 2 more. Arms reach back to lift up. Squeeze your shoulder blades tight. Hold there as you lengthen through the back of your neck, lifting your chest a little bit higher. And then open your arms out to the side. 1 more time. Pull your arms back, squeezing shoulder blades. Lifting that chest up, long neck. Belly pulls in, legs are tight. And then send the arms out to the side, lower. 1 more child's pose here for 1 second. Sitting back onto your heels. And then from here, we'll spin around and do a little chest opener stretch. So I want you to bend your knees, step the feet onto the mat. You don't want your legs to work at all. And we'll take the hands behind you with your fingertips facing back. Now, all I want you to do is push down to your hands, lift your chest to the ceiling, and squeeze your shoulder blades together with all your might to really open up those chest muscles. You should feel a stretch. Good. Now, keeping the chest open, the shoulders down, start to bend your elbows back just a little. Maybe your forearms will touch the mat, maybe not, depending on how tight your shoulders are. Don't let the shoulders come up into your ears. Keep them down. And then lift the chest, work your scoop, grow taller. We'll do that 4 more times. Bend the elbows slowly, opening the collarbones wider, pulling the waist in, and then drive it up. 3 more. Opening, 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 and drive it back up. 2 more times. Open that chest. The elbows go straight back. And press it up taller. Last one. Open the chest and bend the elbows. And press back up. Good. Now from here, straighten your legs out. I want you to just send it over a little bit, giving yourself a little counter stretch, letting those elbows drop down. All right, now roll up tall through your spine. One more seated exercise. So we're gonna take the legs together in Pilates stance and then send the arms up at eyebrow height. So reaching up to the horizon line, lifting really tall through your spine. Now flip your palms up to the ceiling, and from here I want you to pull your elbows backward, and as you do this the shoulder blades squeeze together and then the arms stretch behind you. Now stay tall, try to take your hands together and clasp them behind your back. And now you'll stretch by lifting those arms up and then round forward, nose to the knees. From there, let go without an explosion and then circle your arms all the way around to reach for your toes and don't hit your houseplants. Now go ahead and roll all the way up again and then float the arms up to the horizon line. Good. Tall through the back, the palms flip to the sky. Yes, now the elbows pull straight backward to open that chest, finding that stretch. Reach the arms behind you. Now reach the arms together behind your back. Keep the chest lifted, keep your scoop as you clasp the hands and lift the arms up. Now round forward, nose to the knees. Let go of the hands and circle around, reaching for your toes. One more time. Sit tall. Reach the arms up to the ceiling, lifting up. Flip the palms. Bend your elbows straight back to broaden your chest, rolling your collarbones open. Reach those arms behind you, and then take the hands together. Reach them up, 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 squeezing your shoulder blades. Dive forward, nose to the knees, and then let go. And take a big giant circle to reach over for your toes. Good. Go ahead and roll up to sit tall and stay tall because you made it through day 9 of your 30-day Pilates journey. I will see you on the mat for day 10. Bye for now.